I've been waiting for this day for so long!
Me too! It's going to be one of the most awesome K-pop concerts ever!
Get ready, boys. We'll be there soon.
I can't wait to dance!
Uh-oh. Looks like the car is broken down.
Oh no! Are we gonna miss the concert?
SpongeBob, what happened?
We need a new car to get to the K-pop concert on time.
Don't worry, my friends and I can help you. We'll get you an awesome car.
Wow, look at all those cars!
They all look amazing. How do we choose only one?
That's what we're here for. We can help you pick one. Let's go see the first one. Look, this car looks like a derpy.
Oh, it's so cute.
It makes me want to pet it.
What a beautiful car. Let's see what's inside.
It is so fluffy.
I can't find the radio. There is fur everywhere.
I think I'm allergic to car fur.
And it's tickling my nose too. Let's try the next one.
And here's the second car.
This car looks like Derpy's friend Sussy.
Look at that hat. Very stylish. Oh, it's so dark in here.
I can't see my hands. Where's the seatbelt?
And these seats are hard as rocks.
At least the view of the road ahead is clear.
Too dark and too uncomfortable.
I think so too. This car isn't right for us.
How about this one? It's perfect for the K-pop concert.
This car looks so much like Rumi.
Wow, that's a huge braid! This looks fun!
Oh, it's so shiny, I can't keep my eyes open.
Something strange.
Oh no, that huge braid is slowing us down.
That big braid is too heavy. We will never get to the concert in time.
It's too shiny and it's too slow. Let's try a different car.
And now, the final car of the day. It has a fantastic style.
Wow, this car looks just like you, Mira.
It looks fast!
Let's take it for a test drive.
It smells like bubble gum inside. Wow, it looks like a spaceship.
Where is the steering wheel? What do these buttons do? How do we close it back? All the buttons look the same to me. This car seems too hard to use.
Oh, none of these cars work for us.
Wait, don't be sad. We can just fix your old car.
Wow, it looks perfect!
Our car is so K-pop now, thank you.
Have fun at the concert.
I didn't order the annoying whistle!
SpongeBob, stop it! That whistling is driving me crazy!
All right.
This has to stop! I have a magic potion from my grandmother. It should help!
Wow, this magic potion glows so beautifully.
What's happening?
I feel strange.
You look different.
This magic potion must have changed me.
Well, at least the gap is gone. That sounds amazing. Who's singing? What?
This is incredible. My voice sounds so different.
I never thought I'd say this, but your voice sounds cool. Tonight, I won't be performing alone. My friend SpongeBob is here with me. Hey! That's my grandmother. What is she doing here?
She will give us a magic potion.
Thank you, Grandma.
And here is our new home.
My dear friends. I hope I can easily find new friends. Hi, I just moved here.
Oh, we have to go home now, sorry.
Maybe we can play later?
Okay, I'll try to find other friends. Hi?
I'm busy.
Who are they? Hi, I'm new here. My name is SpongeBob.
Hi, SpongeBob. Hi, we are K-Pop Demon Hunters.
Sounds cool.
Do you have any magical abilities?
No.
Maybe you can stop time?
No.
Or maybe you can teleport?
No.
All right, SpongeBob. See you later.
I wonder how SpongeBob is doing.
Didn't he call you?
Not yet.
I hope he's doing well.
I never thought I'd say this, but I miss SpongeBob.
We all miss SpongeBob.
Maybe we should go visit him?
Patrick, SpongeBob only left yesterday.
All right, we'll go next week.
Everything will be fine, Patrick.
I miss you, my friends.
Happy birthday, SpongeBob.
Make a wish.
What did you wish for, SpongeBob?
That you would always be my friends.
Why are you sad, SpongeBob?
I miss my friends.
Don't worry, you'll find new friends soon.
I'm not sure about that.
I have an idea.
Our old house? Did we come to visit my friends?
We came back to stay.
Really?
Yes, we decided that this city is better for all of us.
Thank you.
SpongeBob?
My friends, I'm back.
We missed you.
Even if it's hard at first, real friends always find each other.
Wow, Sandy, your car is really cool.
Thank you.
Sandy, where did you buy this car?
New cars are sold not far from here.
Let's do a test drive.
Okay,
Could I bring Patrick with us?
of course.
What unusual cars!
Which car should we test first?
Harold, press the gas pedal.
This car is too slow.
I think this is the fastest it can go.
Let's test another car.
Okay. Choose the next car.
Look, this car looks like your house.
This car is so big.
And stylish.
Let's go.
Okay.
Wow, this car is roaring.
It's a pineapple truck.
But pineapples can't roar.
It's the engine growling. Where do you want to go?
Let's just go straight ahead.
Okay,
This car is awesome.
I agree, but it's too small.
Yes, Mom and Patrick want to ride too.
Let's test the banana car.
Harold and SpongeBob are back.
This car looks very tasty.
This is not a real banana, SpongeBob. Let's go faster.
I like this car.
We are out of gas.
Which car will we buy?
The snail car. It is slow but safe.
And Gary will like this car.
Woohoo! I'm ready for the race.
Yeehaw! It's so cool here.
Use the buttons to steer, drive around each other, and be careful.
I can feel the wind.
Driving is fun.
Woohoo!
Patrick, do you need help?
No, I just need to tune my brain properly. Oh no, I drove into a tire. I think I've parked forever.
Don't worry, Patrick. We're going to get you out now.
We will help you.
Well, well, having fun, I see. What a pleasant form of entertainment.
Join us. It's going to be fun.
It sounds great.
Phew! All that driving made me hungry.
Let's have a real race. The first one to complete 3 laps wins.
We'll have to have a hearty lunch after the race.
It's not about winning or losing. What matters is that we all have a good time.
Yeah.
Tactics are what matter most.
I hope you enjoy my perfect driving.
Yes, you're driving really well.
You're doing great, Sandy.
Thanks, SpongeBob. Hold on.
Oh, hello, friend.
It was a very cool race.
The first place goes to Sandy. She gets this prize.
But how did Krabs get 3rd place?
It's all thanks to tactics.
We trained for a long time. This scanner will show how sporty you are.
Wow, that's interesting.
Who is ready to go into the scanner first?
I am ready.
Great. I am starting the scan. "97%, Patrick. That is a good result. Super, 100%.
Ready to see the best result?
Go, Mr. Krabs.
"99%. That is a great result. You are very sporty, Mr. Krabs. Who wants to check their fitness level next?
Let me do it.
Okay. "81%.
I want 100%.
You need to train more.
Scan me one more time.
Okay.
Squidward, you got 100%.
Great result. "100%. That is unbelievable.
Wow, that is better than perfect.
Thank you, guys. We all did great.
Yes, you trained very well. Everyone is a winner.
Let's celebrate.
Great idea.
Then I invite everyone to the Krusty Krab today. We will eat Krabby Patties.
I'll make you some really healthy Krabby Patties.
Nice.
Great. We need to not only exercise, but also eat healthy.
The scanner will find the hidden patty. That's how it works.
Come inside.
Now you. Oh, a kitchen spatula.
Yes, to cook Krabby Patties and scratch my back.
There's no Krabby Patty here. What is this?
My clarinet. I always keep it close to my heart.
Clear, no patty here.
Oh, sorry.
Maybe the thief was just really hungry and ate it?
Of course, the gastric scanner mode.
Wow.
Now we will check what's inside your stomachs.
I hope it doesn't tickle.
There is no Krabby Patty. There is only nut.
Nuts are very healthy.
There's a cupcake in my stomach.
It seems that kindness itself lives in his stomach.
It's very beautiful.
Oh,
Who else do we have left? Patrick, your turn, sweetie.
Okay.
Patrick, it's in your stomach.
Oh, I've already forgotten how I ate the patty that was on the table. I'm sorry. I'll help clean the tables.
Thanks for telling the truth, Patrick. Next time, ask first.
Hi, SpongeBob.
Hi, Rumi.
Who is this?
Patrick, this is Rumi.
Hi, Patrick.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Oh, I have to go. I'm late for dance class.
All right.
I like dancing too.
Wow, cool. Do you want to go to dance class with me?
With pleasure.
Patrick, I didn't know you dance.
It's my new hobby.
Cool.
We can't waste time, Patrick. Let's go.
Patrick, wait, what about our pizza?
Let's do it next time.
There you are. How are you guys?
Everything is great.
Patrick, let's go play with the jellyfish.
Sorry, SpongeBob, but I am a little busy.
We are talking about new dance moves.
Oh, I see.
We can hang out another time.
Oh.
SpongeBob, why are you so sad?
Patrick found a new friend and spends less time with me.
I understand you, but don't worry. Patrick will find time for you soon.
Look, this jellyfish is so funny.
And this jellyfish is so cute.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, SpongeBob.
Patrick, I thought you were busy.
Rumi has never seen jellyfish before.
And Patrick decided to show them to me.
I see.
Wait, SpongeBob. Let's play with jellyfish together.
Yes, together it will be more fun.
I have to go. I have dance class. Patrick, will you go with me?
No, I want to play with SpongeBob.
Okay, see you later.
Why didn't you go with Rumi? She is your friend.
I want to spend time with you because you are my best friend.
I saw a pet store somewhere around here. Just a few more meters to go.
Hello, Patrick.
Hi.
We're going to pick out a pet. Will you come with us?
With pleasure. I adore pets.
Here's the store. SpongeBob, have you decided which animal you'll choose?
Probably a worm. Wow, there are so many pets here, and they're all so cute.
Look at that funny fish. Do you want to take it?
Let's see who else is here.
Hey, Snake, do you want to be SpongeBob's pet? Hey, Snake, wake up!
I don't want a pet that sleeps all the time.
Look, it's a royal jellyfish.
Could we be friends? This jellyfish is not very friendly.
What's up? Did you find anything?
I don't think I'm gonna find a pet here. I'll never find a pet.
Look, I think this snail likes SpongeBob.
Who's that? This snail chose me by itself. Can I take this snail?
Of course, we don't mind.
Have you already thought of a name for him?
Maybe we should call him Patrick.
He doesn't like that name.
Oh. We need to choose a name for him today.
Okay, but we need to write down a list of all the names and let him choose the one he likes best.
Let's go, Max. Charlie. Cooper Sam.
What about Rocky, Milo, Buddy?
Oh. Yankee, Bailey, Spot.
Maybe he will live without a name?
Oh.
We can't leave this snail without a name.
I have an idea.
What's the idea?
Let the snail choose its own name.
This will be fun.
Go ahead, snail. You can choose your own name.
Yeah.
Guard? His name is Gary.
Gary. That's a cool name for a snail.
My pet Gary.